Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your QuickBooks account. First, it is crucial to identify which QuickBooks product you are using, whether it is an online or desktop version. Next, ensure you back up all your essential financial data, as it will become inaccessible once your subscription ends. Finally, confirm you are logged in as the master administrator, as only this role can initiate the cancellation process for your account. For QuickBooks Online users, the cancellation process is straightforward. Begin by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your dashboard. From there, select Account and Settings, then proceed to Billing and Subscription. You will then see an option to cancel subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the cancellation, ensuring all steps are acknowledged before exiting. Canceling QuickBooks Desktop differs from the online version. For desktop products, you generally stop renewing your annual subscription or service plan. If you have a one-time purchase, there is no ongoing subscription to cancel. For any specific desktop product cancellations or associated services, it is best to contact QuickBooks customer support directly. They can guide you through any necessary steps for your particular desktop software. After canceling your QuickBooks account, your data will remain accessible in a read-only format for approximately 1 year. This allows you to view past information if needed. You also have the option to reactivate your account within 12 months should your business needs change. Remember to export any critical reports and lists before this period ends to ensure you have a permanent record of your financial history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.